Hey, good day everyone. Here's another video by You Can Do It. So today I want to tell you how we identified a vacuum leak on this 2005 BMW Z4 2.5i, also known as the E85. So what happened is I kept on getting a check engine light or a service engine soon light in this case with a code of P0171 and P0174. So what that means is the system is too lean and there's air coming into the system. So it's highly unlikely that both of the oxygen sensors were bad. And so what was happening is I needed to get this car ready for emissions, but all my monitors weren't activating, specifically the oxygen sensor one. I would drive, anywhere from 25 to 50 miles and the light will come on again. So then I would have to reset and do another drive cycle. And that's where you got to drive the car on various speeds and for various durations for a period of time, like 20 miles to 40 miles for about 3 minutes, then 40 miles to 60 miles an hour for about 10 or 12 minutes. And every vehicle has a different drive cycle. So I've been trying to do that for about a week. And I've done a lot of things. So first, in this vehicle, there's this lower intake hose. Let me just get my light here. Lower intake hose right here, and there's this mouthpiece or rubber piece right here that was cracked. So I'm like, okay, great. I found the culprit, ordered the new part, replaced it, and I still got the same error. And after driving, multiple drive cycles, I'm like, God damn it, what could it be? Then I found out, this upper intake hose had a small hairline crack right here. So I ordered that and figured, okay, we're ready to go. Nope, still no success. I continued to get the vacuum leaks, but now it wasn't giving me the 171, it was just giving me the 174. So in between the mass airflow sensor housing and this intake is a gasket, and this is what I had there, and it looks like someone used gasket maker. So I'm like, okay, that's probably where the error is coming from. And ordered a new part, put it in, still nothing. And all my monitors, the evap, the secondary air pump, the EGR, the CAT, the heated oxygen sensor, everything was activating with the exception of the oxygen sensor. So we got, this is a inline 6 and you got 2 oxygen sensors pre-CAT and 2 post-CAT. And right here, I actually ordered all the oxygen sensors. Here's the post-CAT ones, and I put in the new ones for the pre-CAT ones, and still that didn't solve it. I haven't put on the post-CAT ones. And finally what I did is I did a smoke test. And what I did is I took this intake pipe off and I put a piece of glove on it. And, I just got one of these, pumps where, I basically took one end in and I put a cigar here. Here, a Black and Mild. And actually this is the end where I put the cigar in. You can see it has the brown color there. And this end, I just stuck into the glove. I cut one of the fingers off and taped it. And then I just pumped some air in. And it pumped basically the smoke in. And then I'm like, okay, let me see where the vacuum leak is. And lo and behold, I still couldn't find it. But my brother was here. And he found the little culprit. And I didn't order the part, but I fixed it for the time being. Right on your engine, you have where my finger is, 2 engine caps. One right here. That's it. And I just go. That covers that little piece of hole. So this is the engine cap, and it was ripped, deteriorated. And here's the other one right behind it is another one. Let me just show you how it looks in standard shape. Here's the other one. That's it. That little piece of rubber was cracked. And what I did is I just took some gasket maker, put it on, closed it, drove 25 miles, checked 2 or 3 times, got no check engine light. Lo and behold, after driving 33 miles After clearing the check engine light, all my monitors became activated and I got the vehicle through a smog. So in case anyone's having a similar issue, I didn't even know these caps existed, to be honest. And you know, when I did the smoke test, it was hard. Even the smoke, I saw a little smoke coming out. But finally, you know, when I took it out, that piece of rubber was pretty beat up, and I'm surprised more air wasn't you know, coming in. And so that's what it was. And so if you're having this problem, you know, maybe this is your fix. And you know, I'm glad that I was able to change all the other things too. You know, especially the intake boots and whatnot, the gasket. So, you know, hopefully this video helped you. Hopefully, if it did, you know, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.